Drew Thompson spitting heat. I had to sneak out of there real quick because I have to do a one-on-one with one of our agents. And she's going to be putting in her first offer, a $1.3 million offer, which is nice for her first deal. And I want to make sure that I talk over any questions and concerns she has over it. So they don't want to reschedule this or skip out on this.
Feel better. Like, you've been super helpful. Charm's been super helpful. So I definitely feel good, like, moving forward. I guess it'll just depend on, like, the next steps. Like, once we submit the offer and whatever happens with that, we'll have to, I guess I'll just need, additional guidance throughout the process if we're able to get to that point. So.
Right. Yeah. And you'll get that. And I think now you know more of what I mean by, like, hey, like, you really won't really be able to absorb and learn until you're going through it, because there's just so many different ways this can be sliced.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so we're right out here in Vienna, Virginia, and we're looking at this house behind me. We've been trying to get in touch with the owner, and we finally did last year. And so after a little back and forth, we realized that we just couldn't come to a win-win agreement with her. However, now it looks like, we're getting closer to getting somewhere. Masi here just asked me what you should eat for optimal gains. This is my bowl. From Chipotle, yes. Yeah. Rice, white rice, always. Chicken, fajita veggies, no beans, pico de gallo, cheese, corn, and lettuce. And then what I do is, I saw this on TikTok recently, or I think it was Instagram Reels, but anyways, do a little bit of the hot sauce, the red sauce, and put a little bit of the sour cream. Close it up, mix it together, makes this creamy red orangish sauce. Bomb. So yeah, that's what you should eat if you want optimal gains in life and in real estate. You got that?
Yeah, true.
Okay, great. All right, great. Well, I'll go ahead and make my way over there.
Okay, I'll see you soon.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So that's an interesting opportunity. We found it online, and I keep on saying we. I have a team. For certain things, it's we. I like to say we because it really a lot of this has been a team effort. But I found it online yesterday. Somebody had posted on one of the Facebook groups I'm a part of, and they had mentioned they had a property in Great Falls. They wanted to get rid of it, yada, yada, yada. Here we are. So anyways, we're going to go over there right now and see what we can do. Good company. Shed probably needs to be torn down, huh? Or maybe it's just a lot of debris up top. But...
honestly, I haven't even moved back.
No, as is. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and send that out to the footage of the home that I just went at. We're gonna send it out to a few other contractors, a few builders, see what they think, see where we can land at, and hopefully we can give an offer to the owner. That's gonna be a win-win situation for everyone. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and get some Pio Pio, an awesome restaurant here in Great Falls, Peruvian restaurant. It's funny, I called wifey up and I was like, hey, you want some Peruvian tonight? I'm right here in Great Falls. And she was like, yeah, I'm not cooking. So I'm gonna do that for her and myself. All right, so we got some Pio Pio in Great Falls, Peruvian cuisine. Got some indoor, outdoor seating. We've been here before, wifey and I. But it's been a long time, so super excited. Got some alfajores too for Matias, because he hasn't had one yet, and he's half Peruvian. So we're gonna give him that. I got a lomo soltado, wifey got a pollo soltado, Matias got a kid's pollo. And of course, we got a Inca Cola. Yummy. So lomo saltado is usually fries, rice, steak, tomato, and onion.
When you're gringa, it's chicken.
All right, wifey got the pollo saltado. All right, tell the people. What do you guys think about Pio Pio?
It's delicious. I don't want to do this, babe.
Inca Cola. It's a must. Bite I just had was a solid 9.
Yeah, that was my only question.
Hey! Guys, I appreciate you so much. If you have watched up to this point, if you're still here, please know that I really appreciate you. And I'm gonna ask you for a favor. Please smash the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Please comment below and share this with a friend, right? It would really, truly mean a lot. It's gonna help my channel go to 100 subscribers. That's my goal, 100. And then we'll set a new goal from there. But 100 is the goal right now. So I would really appreciate you if you contribute to that goal. But yeah, so today we had a pretty eventful day. Getting an offer written up for this house in Vienna. Like, it's been a year in the works. And then for this Great Falls house, I'm super pumped because I have a client that wants to write an offer on it. I know that we'll be competing. I know that we already are competing because there's an offer in, but either way, I'm super pumped to be able to have a shot at it and that my client is interested in it. So stay tuned. If you are looking for a townhouse in Falls Church, Virginia, we're gonna have that coming up in the market in the next week. Super excited to show you guys. But anyway, super pumped to have you guys here. I hope that you enjoyed this so far. I promise you these videos are only gonna keep getting better. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.